Every line, every step, every plan, I shape my dreams with steady hands. Through the chaos I find my peace, perfection born from small release. I'm finding order in the storm, refining soul, reshaping form. Through quiet work my truth takes flight, precision turns the dark to I find grace. Each challenge leads to a higher place. Discipline carves my sacred art, a masterpiece built from the heart. I'm finding order in the storm, refining soul, reshaping form. Through quiet work my truth takes flight, precision turns the dark to